So the first thing you do is select your form, and then you can select the inspector name or add a new inspector. You can select a fishing area by typing in a word. It will automatically bring up commercial vessels in that region. And then you can enter a fish ticket number if you would like to. Species, you can select it from the drop-down menu. Your CQR number, this one is important, and so this is the number that's on the back of your CQR. Enter your 3 fish temperatures. Use the location devices. Make sure your location services are turned on your phone, and it will take a latitude, longitude, and altitude. And then you sign here. And then you'll notice that it says select form 5 on CQR and take 5 to 7 measurements. You need to then pick up your CQR, select form 5 on the menu, and take 5 to 7 measurements. If you understand this, select yes, and then you can submit your form. Now you would pick up your CQR, select form 5, and take those measurements. So the form number has to match the form and the CQR.